So this is the Vivanta by Taj hotel in Coimbatore in India. I've just checked in, and this is the room. I'm just doing a quick room tour again. So quite a lot of stuff that you can use: kettle, teas, coffees. They've got a mini bar, TV, a desk, which is always good if I'm doing emails because I am here for business. Bed, laundry service, which is always a good thing, especially when you're travelling for a couple of weeks. And then everything, nice slippers, telephone, water. So it's quite a nice little room. It's got wardrobe, safe, and yeah, just storage space for hanging your clothes. Always helps stopping them from getting creased. And then through to the bathroom with the toilet there and a phone on the wall. I always like to see that. The sink, lots of towels, and then through here is the shower. So quite nice big spaces, and they've got again the shower gel, body lotion, all of that kind of stuff. They've also got over here different things in case you need them, so shower caps and all of the like toothpaste and soap. So pretty nice little room, and I think quite good conferencing facilities downstairs, and that's where we're going to be having our event tomorrow.